This is the Blitz Tanto, a mini pocket knife by Bomber & Company. This is the bigger, beefier, straight-edge edition of Bomber's line of fully concealable pocket knives. Inspired by the infamous B-2 stealth bomber, one of the most innovative warplanes in history, the Blitz is engineered to the standards of military-grade equipment. At only 3.7 inches in length, the Blitz is constructed with 440 carbon black stainless steel. This stocky, compact knife is a tiny monster, small enough to carry in a coin pocket, but sturdy enough to take on any task you might throw at it. And like every knife in the company's B-2 collection, the Blitz Straight Edge comes with a full lifetime warranty and is engineered to withstand years and years of heavy use.
We are Grail. We make water purifiers for international travelers and outdoor explorers so their adventures can be safe, self-reliant, and sustainable. Until now, travelers have relied almost exclusively on single-use bottles for hydration, which are expensive, wasteful, and almost never recycled. There is a better way. Meet GeoPress, an astonishingly easy, supremely effective water purifier designed for adventure travel anywhere, worldwide. GeoPress is perfectly sized, extremely portable, compact, and the user experience, it's second to none. Simply fill, press, drink. We've revolutionized the water purifier. It works on every continent, whether a murky river near Mount Kilimanjaro, a sketchy tap in a Guatemalan hostel, or hiking the Pacific Crest Trail near our Seattle home. The secret sauce is GeoPress's patented design, which is powered by your body weight, so it's fast, really fast. It provides complete protection against all waterborne pathogens, even virus. And it makes water taste great, filtering out pollutants like chemicals, heavy metals, and microplastics. Here's a closer look at GeoPress. Topo Grip. Tactile, non-slip material strategically placed on all heavy-use surfaces. Simple vent spout cap. Allows you to press and purify with the cap on. Simply twist the cap 1/2 turn to allow air to escape during purification. Soft press pads provide an ergonomic, comfortable pressing surface. The result? Incredibly fast purification that even a child can press. Since our 2016 Kickstarter, Grail purifiers have hydrated over 100,000 adventures, won awards, and earned over 500 5-star reviews. The Kickstarter community was vital, providing not just resources, but incredibly useful feedback that guided our GeoPress design process. We could not have done this without the Kickstarter community, and we hope you'll support us again. Thank you.
Introducing the world's first graphene integrated pants, and the last pants you'll ever need. What if we developed a 3-layer fabric that stretches but remains fully waterproof? What if you could use the same pants for swimming and skiing? What if graphene supercharged the shell face to resist unheard of levels of abuse? What if there was no if? Whether you are out to meet friends, exploring the corners of the globe, or indoors, the Omega pants have you covered. 2 front leg pockets, 2 zippered magnetic storm flaps, hidden waterproof to convert the pants into retro, 2 levels, adjustable mobile phone with storm ventilation pocket. Didn't get all that? Be prepared to study pants for the first time in your life. Our state-of-the-art design means work is professional. The wilderness is fun, and transition from relaxed to adventure mode can happen with a snap of your fingers. In one word, freedom to do what you want, when you want. How is all this possible in one pair of pants? Science, research, and the integration of the strongest and most versatile material on Earth, graphene. Our first challenge was to develop a material that could stretch and still remain waterproof. Truly 10K waterproof. Through a complex process of double transfer laminating, we engineered a high-performance 3-layer fabric that stretches in all 4 directions to give you total freedom of movement, while keeping you absolutely dry when heavy rain or snow comes onto the scene. Then, we needed to tackle durability, and this is where graphene empowered the Omega pants to excel. Once we integrated graphene on the shell face, abrasion resistance skyrocketed, making the Omega pants stronger than military gear. You can abuse them all you want, and they won't hate you for it. This isn't just fashion, it's wearable science that you can own, wear, and take on an adventure should the occasion arise. This is our second campaign. Our Alpha Series jacket campaign gathered over 2,000 backers. It was rated at a high of 4.9 out of 5, and we delivered it in more than 70 countries.
Hi, this is Jorge from GrapheneX. We pride ourselves of being a backer-centric company, and this is why we decided to ask them what would they want next. After surveying over 2,000 backers, we heard them loud and clear. They wanted pants. Research started, and we discovered that the first pants were made over 3,000 years ago, and they were meant to be used by horse riders. Today, we have become extremely versatile human beings, and our needs go way beyond horse riding. Nevertheless, pants haven't run the same luck, and they remain pretty much the same that they were 3,000 years ago. We're proud to be here today introducing the Omega pants, and can't thank you enough to be riding with us in this adventure.
Graphene is the material of the future. Join the movement as we continue to build smart gear that works with your body as one. These are the last pants you'll ever need. GrapheneX, carbon evolved.
We're Parkit, and we're here to change the way you enjoy the exploration. Introducing the Voyager, a chair built for adventure. The Voyager isn't your dad's camping chair. It's 3 products in one: a chair, a cooler, and a pack all at once. Innovative design, unparalleled comfort, and limitless durability, the Voyager is ready for your next adventure. The Voyager is ergonomically designed in continuity with our natural sitting posture for total comfort and enjoyment. We've placed an insulated cooler with welded seams at the bottom of the Voyager to keep your beverages cold for 8+ hours. The cooler includes extra pockets for storage of personal items and is detachable for individual use. The carry strap allows for simple, hands-free transportation to and from your base camp, and the folding enclosure allows you to securely carry additional items. We've sourced the strongest A6000 aircraft-grade aluminum for that foundational framing of the Voyager, added a touch of style with eco bamboo armrest, and sourced 60mm wide polyester fabric that is soft to touch, strong to hold elasticity, and elevate your time around the campfire. We've designed an interchangeable drinking system, outfitted for cans, coffee mugs, and canteens into either side of the chair, and is easily moved from left to right. We've partnered with Klugonics and Onks 360, product development firms that engineer, source, and produce retail-ready products for more than 50 companies. Your pledge today helps bring our company to life. With your support, we'll be able to begin production on the Voyager by the fall, with delivery to backers set for spring 2021. We built the Voyager because we needed it. It's a product that has everything we wanted after a long day of riding in the Sierras or surfing the local beaches. It's a product that brings our friends and our families together to sit around a fire and tell the stories of our lives. Thank you for your support and backing as we take this next step in the evolution of our brand. We're excited to share the Voyager with the world, and we hope that you'll continue to enjoy